What's up, guys? We're here at my 8-unit building that I just picked up. It wasn't cheap, but I got it for 15% down with owner financing. That's how I usually do it. I kick a lot of tires, but I come through in the end. I always purchase something.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here with my buddy Eric. He's showing me his apartment building back here. He just got some coins out of the laundromat. We were looking for silver coins, so he's going to tell you a little bit about this place.
Hey guys, my name's Eric Mayer. This is my 8-unit property that I just picked up. I paid $649, but I got it for 15% down with owner financing. That's how I've been picking up properties lately. You can get a lot more bang for your buck that way. I'll show you around a little bit. So the good thing about this property is it came with 8 units rented, but there's opportunity to put a 9th unit right here in the middle. It's locked up right now, but we have a 3-bedroom right here, and I was thinking about putting a 3-bedroom on this side as well for value add. Whenever you buy something like this, you want to make sure you can add value. Give yourself an opportunity to increase the value and maybe do a 1031 exchange one day or cash out refi so you can keep going, keep buying properties. This is what, 20 units in Florida I'm at. I have a few in Tennessee, and I've only been at it for about a year. But owner financing, guys, look into it. 15% down is what I usually pay. It's a lot better than 25-30% you get at the bank. This property is actually on the water. See if you can take a peek around the corner here. Guys, I've never been on camera before, if you can't tell. This is a car I just picked up. It's a 2002 Z06 with a twin turbo setup on it. It's only got 26,000 miles on it, so somebody literally did some work to it and then let it sit. I didn't do the work. It's very fast. It's on drag radials. As you can see, my friend Kevin here's got a beautiful Supra turbo, single turbo. One of my favorite cars, even though they're like $70,000 for a 1998. They'll probably continue to go up with the new release of the new Supra.
So if you want to know more about Eric's journey to get to this point, we're going to probably make a follow-up future video. If this video can get at least 50 likes, we'll go ahead and make a follow-up video, and we'll sit down with Eric and go over some of his strategies and some of the properties that he's bought and accumulated over the last year of investing in real estate.
Like I said, this puts me over 20 units. I have 12 in Indian Rocks Beach, the 8 here in Hudson, Florida on the water. And then I have a couple in Tennessee. The name of the game is just trying to cash flow as much as we can.
So make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.